Good morning to all of you. Myself, Jasing, Assistant Professor, Department of Hotel Management. In today's class, we discuss about an introduction of waste disposal. Nowadays, the hotels are looking for few and innovative programs for conservation of natural resources by reducing waste. A few hotels organize make environmental practices mandatory, such as water recycling, increased use of solar energy, and waste disposal program. The hotels which adopted all eco-friendly practices are called eco hotels or green hotels. The building of green hotels works to conserve energy and water. Efficient waste disposal programs and recycled products are used. Today, the hotels industry leaders evaluate their environmental policies and practices on regular basis, including recycling and waste disposal policies. The customers also want to conserve natural and loves to spend their time near to it. The customers also have asked questions related to the hotel's waste management and environmental practices such as waste handling methods, energy and water conservation and management. Before selecting vacation sites, the hospitality industries also developed a rating system for based on environmental practices adopted by hotels and resorts. A housekeeping is responsible for all kind of cleaning and maintenance of hotel premises. So waste disposal and recycling program should start from housekeeping department. For housekeeping, the waste disposal is daily ongoing challenge. In addition to waste disposal or recycling cost, the hotels also allocate valuable space for recycling centers or waste disposal stores. Most of the waste created in hotels comes from kitchen, cooking oil, leftover food, and packaging materials, food cans and bottles, broken silverware, hollowware, and chinaware. From the housekeeping departments, the cleaning and laundry chemicals, packaging, broken garments, linen, and pastries. From front office and other offices, printer cartridge, Xerox papers, cardboard waste, envelopes, brown papers, and from maintenance departments, machine oil, paints, electric items, and an executive householder must have frame a recycling policy for linen and textile products, garbage used and recycle, and sewage treatment plants. Linen and textile products like bedsheet, towels, and curtains may be used for making spreadsheets, testers, swab clothes, water clothes, and so on. A proper waste management for wet and dry waste must be adopted for reusing, recycling, and recovering the waste. For better understanding of waste disposal, a housekeeping personnel should have basic knowledge about the following. First one is waste reduction, recycling, and reusing, types of waste, waste management, and environmental friendly purchasing. Thank you, everyone. The today topic is over. If you like our content, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIT Academics.